This is how to create a house share cleaning rota on rota.fish. Firstly, you hit the create new rota button, then you fill in the title and the description for your new rota, and then you put in an email address, and this email address gets emailed a link that allows you to manage your rota. You have to keep that link secret and safe so other people can't use it. Then you put in your roles. In this case, it's going to be kitchen cleaning, bathroom cleaning, and hoovering. And then it's down to the occurrences. So the occurrences are when this will happen. We're going to do it every 7 days, so every week, starting on the 1st of July 2025. And then we'll just make it arbitrary time, do it at midnight. And then just do it for the month. So we'll just hit, and you can see the dates are coming in every 7 days, every week, up until the end of the month, 31st. Hit create rota at the bottom, and you've now got the manage your rota page. You can share this link here that's just been copied, and it will give you this page to people so they can fill in their availability to the rota. So Alice can fill in when she's available, when she's on holiday and won't be able to do the cleaning. And she puts in her email address so that she'll get reminders about the rota when it's published. She's available all the time, so she ticks all the boxes. But then Bob is not going to be available all the time and for all the jobs. In a minute, once Bob's put in his email, you'll see that Bob is not good at all the jobs. Bob's good at kitchen cleaning, he's good at bathroom cleaning, but he's got a dust allergy, he's not great at hoovering. And then finally, Karina is going to fill in her availability, her short name, her full name, and the email, so she'll get reminders. And there'll be a week where she can't do it, so she'll tick all of the boxes to start with, at least not for bathroom cleaning because she's got a skin problem, which means she can't use those products. But you can see that there's a week there that we've deselected. Then we get the email, and we go back to the manage your rota page, and you can see here that there are 3 people who have signed up, currently not assigned to anything. Then we're going to use the fancy autofill button to allow you to automatically draft a rota which is fair and takes people's availability into account. You can see everybody there, and you can see everybody's got 6 assignments, so it's nice and fair. And then all that remains is to publish the rota, and you've got your rota there, and people will get emails, reminders 1 to 2 days in advance.